All right, we are checking out of Paris after being here for five
5 nights.
nights. Yes.
If you think 5 nights is too much, I can say it's not. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Paris is in a great location.
Yes.
It's pretty central. I mean, you're connected to Bali, so like right now it's a little bit cooler.
Yeah.
So you have options indoors where you don't really have to leave, and it's a quick hop to Planet Hollywood, where the Miracle Mile shops are now open.
Where we
the
spent a lot of
casino's
time.
open. Yeah, we spent a lot of time there, and during the day you're in full sun, so it's not that bad being outside. You just want a light jacket, long sleeve shirt, and you'll be just fine. So,
Yep. And speaking of Planet Hollywood, that is actually where we booked our 5 nights. But Planet Hollywood is still not having
weekday reservations.
Weekday reservations, yes. So we
Yeah.
checked in on Monday and we're checking out on Saturday.
Yeah.
And so we were actually a little nervous about being at Paris. We love the Casino of Paris. We come here all the time, but we did have a bad experience a couple years ago staying at Paris, and they completely redeemed themselves. The room that we
100%.
had was wonderful.
Yeah.
We had a parlor suite.
Which is nice. So you walk in and there's it's a corner unit, which is nice. So here's one view behind us. You can see the Eiffel Tower right there over Christine's shoulder, right there. And then straight down is the pool. And then on this side, we overlook the valet area, and you can see across to Bellagio Fountains. You can see Caesars, Cosmopolitan. The Globe is right outside the window. So really, really great view. And when you come in, it's a little bit positioned where you come in this walkway or entryway into the big bedroom. It's a really big space in the bedroom and seating area here where we actually worked all week.
Which, it was nice. And it was actually very quiet Monday through Thursday here. It started picking up on Thursday and definitely picked up a lot more Friday and Saturday. It's like a completely different place to stay. But it was nice having it quiet during the week. I don't think anyone was on our floor. At least it didn't feel like anyone was on our floor until
really nice.
Yeah, up until like Thursday. Then we started seeing people trickle in.
So I will say one thing, just on that note, Christine, is that if you're looking at, if you're a remote employee and you're in a position where you can work at home or really from anywhere because you're remote, coming to Vegas and staying in places like Paris for the week, it's actually not bad because it is quiet. Like I had a couple conference calls that I was able to take right downstairs, grab a cup of coffee, found somewhere to sit, did some Zoom meetings, can get caught up on stuff in the room, and then you have playtime in the evening. So it was actually a pretty cool experience.
It was great. Definitely would recommend staying at Paris, and we will definitely be back here.
Absolutely.
hotels. We've done some other room tours. We did a room tour of Paris that we'll be posting, and we come to the Strip often. We stayed at all of the Caesars properties and most of the MGM properties here on the Strip. So feel free to comment below and ask us any questions.
Yes, if you like this video, which we hope that you do, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Help us as we start to really put a little bit more effort into our YouTube channel to grow our audience and give you guys what you're looking for.
Thank you.